firefighting operation, it is still on. Fire is though under control. I'll not say ki it is fully doused. We are 3 ships already in the area along with the vessel, and also we are taking regular sorties, air sorties. Yesterday we had spread the dry chemical powder also through helicopters, which has controlled the fire to a larger extent. Uh, Today also the efforts are on since morning. Morning indications are also there that there is some control over the fire. But just because it's a journal fire and in the containers, it may take some more time. As if now there is no immediate danger to the life on board ship. All crew is intact except the one which has been reported dead so far. 20 crew balance is all intact on board, and we are keeping the vessel slightly away from the coast. We have also requested state agencies to prepare for any exigencies that may take place because of oil pollution in case the things deteriorate further. We have dished out warning to all the concerned states so that the state disaster contingency plan is also activated towards the pollution response.
Sir, by when we'll be able to get control over the fire?
Fire is, I'll say we are in the control of the fire, but generally because of containers, it as per the past experience take about 3 to 4 days by the time it's fully doused off, and because even after dousing of fire, the area remain quite heated up. So there we have to keep a watch over this.
Sir, how big is this tragedy as per ICG's earlier experiences?
It's quite a big tragedy because the fire and especially when the vessel is also carrying certain dangerous cargo. So though there is no fire to that particular portion, but it in case it could have resulted if Coast Guard would not have reacted, it could have resulted into a major disaster, and this is as if not under control.
Sir, as far as oil pollution is concerned, has it actually started polluting, or are you fearing that?
No. It is just a preparedness. We have to be prepared from all the angles. As if now there is no oil pollution, there is no danger to the ship as per se, no damage to the ship as per se, other than the containers which are on fire. So it is just a preparedness that once such incident take place, we have to keep all the contingencies into consideration. That is how we are preparing for pollution response also.
So for last 2-3 days the operation is going on. So how many people from ICG are involved in the entire operation?
We have 3 ships involved. One ship, 3 are already in the area, and one has joined recently. Another in the morning, so that makes 4. One more ship will be reaching by evening to augment the efforts. Besides this, there are 2 Donias and advanced light helicopters which are pressed into action, and of course our own office and the adjacent office, as well as the from also it is being monitored centrally by Coast Guard headquarters Delhi as well as Mumbai.
Sir, how good ICG is equipped to handle such kind of fire exigencies?
No, we are fully equipped. Our ships have got all the required resources available for fighting any external fire. So they are fully equipped. Manpower is trained. So we have no doubt in capabilities of our ship or man.
Will there be any crime or offense filed against the particular ship, especially because it was traveling through Indian?
That will be seen later on. As if now, that has to be decided by DG Shipping. We are here only first our aim is to control the fire and douse it out completely. So those are the later parts.